Gumabalik ko, Brad. Uy, ano yan? Nangyari? Tigas ito.
Ay, puti ka rin.
Medyo nag-hesitate ka.
Tingin ko hindi naman.
Okay, you're certain.
You think of did you almost think of
Oh!
something that you did not write down? Ano yung iniisip mo lang?
Oh, yes.
Isa lang naman siyang leading mentalist dito sa Pilipinas. So he is an expert on telekinesis and all welcome. Nomer Mind Master.
I started doing mentalism at the age of 9. It was one morning I was reaching for my lunchbox. Hindi ko maabot yung lunchbox from the long table. Maliit ako. Nanay ko sumisigaw na sa akin para lumabas. Yung school bus is already outside the house. As I was reaching for my lunchbox, yung lunchbox lumapit. Lumapit. I struggle calling it a gift kasi hindi ko nakikita yung mentalism. Hindi siya entertaining eh. You also start questioning, am I just a person? Hoy, nabali ko yung kutsara, so what? I'm no special. Anybody can do this.
No, ano masasabi mo sa iba na parang hindi naniniwala sa'yo? Ano, scripted lang yung mga ginagawa mo?
Actually, kaya natsugi din yung TV show sa GL. Umabot na ako sa point na pakialam. Para sa akin, ang pinakamataas na value is yung ma-amaze, especially mga bata, saka yung mga magagandang babae. There's more to what I do than just performance. Marami sa atin ngayon. Kakaroon ng mga spiritual awakening. I myself experienced spiritual awakening. And then at the time, nakakalungkot, walang nag-a-assist. They start questioning, why do bad things happen to good people? Is this happening to me? Bakit ako pa? When the ego dies, the spirit takes up.
Ibig sabihin, totoo yung mga ulam, mga bagay na hindi natin nakikita.
Feeling natin there is always a need to choose a side kapag nag-meeting love at saka mind. Bago ka maniwala sa pag-ibig, kailangan mo maintindihan yung sarili mo kung bakit paulit-ulit mo sinasaktan yung sarili. Okay ka mo. You cannot heal something you do not know.
Wala ka bang mga mini-mentoran ngayon? Hindi ba pwedeng ipasa yan?
Maraming magalit sa akin. What is the point?
Inuunan natin yung feelings so pag namahan, nagko-control tayo.
You cannot just love yourself. We are here to just have an experience. You really have to test kung ano yung mga naririnig.